Okay, so you're curious about how much money you can withdraw from NBKC? Well, let's dive into that. Why it matters. Before we get into the specifics, let's talk about why this information is important. Knowing your withdrawal limits can help you plan your finances better. It can also help you avoid any potential issues or surprises when you need to access your money. Factors that affect withdrawal limits. Several factors can affect how much you can withdraw from NBKC. These include account type. Different account types have different withdrawal limits. For example, checking accounts typically have higher withdrawal limits than savings accounts. Account balance. You can't withdraw more money than you have in your account. Withdrawal method. The method you use to withdraw money can also affect the limit. For example, you may be able to withdraw more money using an ATM than you can over the counter. Bank policies. NBKC may have specific policies in place that limit how much you can withdraw at a time or over a certain period. How to find your withdrawal limits. The best way to find out your withdrawal limits is to check your account agreement or contact NBKC customer service. They can provide you with the most accurate and up-to-date information. General withdrawal limits. Here are some general withdrawal limits for NBKC accounts. Checking accounts. There are no daily or monthly withdrawal limits for checking accounts. However, you may be limited by the amount of money you have in your account or by the withdrawal method you use. Savings accounts. Savings accounts typically have daily and monthly withdrawal limits. These limits can vary depending on the type of savings account you have. Additional considerations. Here are some additional things to keep in mind about withdrawing money from NBKC. Overdraft protection. If you overdraw your account, NBKC may charge you an overdraft fee. ATM fees. You may be charged a fee for using an ATM, especially if it's not an NBKC ATM. Foreign transaction fees. You may be charged a fee for withdrawing money from an ATM or making a purchase with your debit card while traveling outside the United States. Understanding your withdrawal limits is an important part of managing your finances. By being aware of the factors that can affect your limits, you can avoid any surprises and ensure that you have access to your money when you need it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.